To buy hosting for your WordPress website on Hostinger, follow these simple steps. Visit Hostinger's website. Go to Hostinger's website. Look for the hosting plan options available for WordPress. Choose a WordPress hosting plan. Hostinger offers a variety of WordPress hosting plans, such as shared WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS hosting. For beginners, shared WordPress hosting is typically the best option. Select a plan. Click on Start Now or Get Started to choose a plan that fits your needs. Hostinger offers different pricing tiers based on features like storage, performance, and scalability. Pick a domain name. You can purchase a new domain through Hostinger or use an existing one. If you don't have a domain yet, you'll be prompted to search for and register a domain during the checkout process. Complete the purchase. Enter your personal information, payment details, and any additional features you want to add. Then confirm your order and make payment. Install WordPress. Once you've completed the purchase, go to your Hostinger control panel. Use the one-click WordPress installer to install WordPress, and your website will be live.